NIS, Network Information Service, or called as Yellow Pages, is a client-server directory service protocol for distributing system configuration data, such as user and host names, between computers on a computer network. I start installing Yellow Pages on server machine. A lot of people are facing issues with NIS configuration. Follow the steps and read the manual for clear understanding. I will restart the server services. Note that this service will not run until you set up an NIS domain name. I will run the check config command to bring the services up while booting. Type run level and make sure the services is on for that level. Open network file to update the host name, and add NIS domain. Use this command to set the NIS domain to NIS. If we type the command again, we'll see that it took the domain name for the NIS. Without this domain, the service for YupServe will not start. Reboot the machine. It took the new host name. Create new file called SecureNets, contains host IPs from which to accept NIS map access requests. The first line for IP6, and the second line will set the IP to accept all the client on the same network. Now we'll create a new file called servers to set this machine as the NIS server. Now we'll make sure that all the three services are running on the server machine. At this point, we have to construct a list of the hosts which will run NIS server. I only will use this machine. Hit Ctrl+D. You will see that it update the users and groups, and so on. Let's start configuring the client machine. Make sure that both the server and client machines can see each other. Try to do ping. Now we'll add the NIS domain into the network file. Open the YUP configuration file to add the NIS server. Type this command on the client machine to add an NIS server. Check this box to use NIS. Type the NIS domain and NIS server IP. As you see, the services is up and running and binding from NIS server. Let's test the client machine. Use yupcat command. Let's add new user on the NIS server called user2. Give it a password. Update the NIS list which has the users on NIS server. Let's check the client machine if it get the latest user. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.